guys, we don't have a bird shortage anymore. So the ridiculous high prices that happened last year and the year before, that's completely gone. That doesn't exist anymore. So I find out that a lot of pet stores are complaining because they're not making sales. They don't have sales coming in. And I understand that when everything was through the roof, you guys made a lot of money and your overhead increased it. Some of you guys expanded the business, hire more employees. Now you have more overhead. But let me tell you something. Reduce the price. Lower your price. Okay? Nothing wrong with lowering the price. Right now, we're selling the birds wholesale for less money than what we did a year ago. So, get in the game. You have to